Are you tired of mixing up work bookmarks with personal tabs? Learn how to create separate Firefox profiles in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through the Firefox Profile Manager, creating a new profile, customizing it, and switching between profiles seamlessly. Start by heading over to the Firefox Help page on Managing Profiles. Then, click on the Firefox menu button in the top right corner. You'll see a description of what a Firefox profile is. It stores your bookmarks, passwords, settings, and browsing data. Now, click on Create a New Profile to begin setting up a fresh one. In the toolbar, click the account icon to access profile options. Next, choose Customize a Profile to tailor it to your needs. You can search for specific settings or features using the search bar. Remember, changes are saved automatically, so just close the tab or click Done Editing when you're finished. To switch to an existing profile, click Open an Existing Profile. Again, you'll see the profile description. It stores your bookmarks, passwords, and more. If you need a duplicate, click Copy a Profile to clone it. Click Copy a Profile again to confirm and create the copy. Finally, you can click Skip to Main Content to bypass navigation. Click Skip to Main Content again if needed. Skip to Main Content to finish up. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.